part 2 of panel C here. So that's how I'm looking now. What I want to do is create my void for the window. So I'm going to create into void forms, and it's a void extrusion. And again, I'll just use my rectangle tool here, drag across there, drag across there. Okay, and we will go okay. Let's get into a 3D view of that. All right, now, so we want to cut from this, these from that, okay? Now, sometimes it's hard to see what you've done. So I'm going into shaded here, so we'll do the cut again. Do you know what we'll do? Before I do that, let me just select that and make that minus 100 so that it goes through there. Now, has it done it? I don't think it's fully done it yet. No, okay, so let's go back and find the extrusions. So let's make that minus 300, just to be sure. Let's just pull them all the way through. Now, if we do a cut, there you go. Okay, so the extrusions have to cut right through the solid in order to do that now. So we're back in here into a 3D view. Right, there we go. Now, what we want to do here now is we want to create our window on this. So I'm going to show you to that. We're going to go to create. I'm going to do a sweep. So we pick a path and we start off with the lower one, which gives us the reference plane to draw the profile shape of the, sugar. Okay, I'll have to start that again, sorry. Rushing and not doing this correctly. No, that's better. Okay, create sweep, pick path, start off the bottom, and then go in sequence for the extrusion path. Once you finish that, click the green, and that's okay. And then we're going to go over to edit profile, which should really be named sketch profile. And we're going across here and up 60 and across there and down. Okay, escape, that bit is done. And now click the arrow again, and that'll extrude around. All right, that's that bit done. We'll go back into the view here, and we're going to do our window pane. Okay, so this one is going to be an extrusion, just like so, and we'll just finish that. All right, now I want to draw a section through this. So now let's go into the section and see, and now that's actually our window plane, believe it or not. So let's drag it all the way back here. So I want to take it inside the actual unit, something like that there. All right, now you can see how quick that was done. So you know, I could repeat that a couple of times in order to get triple glazing as such. So let's go back to the 3D view there. Now this one is going to be slightly different. So I'm going to go back into my view like so. Right. So what I want to do is we need to define a door here as such. So let's just measure across here. We get a 900 door. So it's in around there, something like that. Okay. So in my annotate, I'll just take the symbolic line just for the moment. I'll come across 900. And go up 900 there. Now, can I see those in the view one? No, I can't. Right, so what I want to do is do a little extrusion here. Do you know what we'll do? Simple enough, we'll go into the reference level. And so here we are here. So there's my window pane there. Now, what I want to do is come across 900. So we'll do an extrusion and take line work here And so it was somewhere in around here. And I'll just make that 60 as well. That's kind of what I'm making my frames for the moment. Now let's just check that distance there. It's 8. Needs to move maybe 10 mil or so. Okay. Can I get a dimension there maybe? Okay, so let's change the scale back down here. 99. So get this 900. Okay, now sorry, make this one 60. Oh, undo. Don't you love Revit? Okay, maybe this one will do the trick for me. Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to get that one in first, so and we'll just finish that. Let's go back into our 3D and we'll just pull that up so that it clicks in there. Now, so that's the division there. Let's go to our interior view here and get rid of those lines that were useless. And so, okay. Now I just want to check the back of this here. Yeah, okay. So this one doesn't need to be down that low. It can be there. That's what I was looking at. Right. Create extrusion. Oh, do you know what? Before we do that, we need to put in a framework here. So same job again. Something like that there. We'll go in and we'll create, and this is a sweep. And we'll pick our path here, 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 here. Okay, and we'll draw our profile in now. So 60 across and down. Okay, and I've finished that and finished that. Now there's that one done. All right, now we'll go into our view here and we'll do our glazing as an extrusion. Okay, and we'll finish that and we'll go into our section. We just matched the other piece of glass that was there. Right, now let's take a look at that. Okay, now let's assign our materials. So let's pick this one first. And you're going to hit this associate family parameter. You're going to create a family parameter, and this is going to be panel. And this is panel A _ 2 and frame. And it's a type one that we're doing. Okay, click out and let's get the frame. So again, associate, create, and this is panel 2. Sorry, it's panel. Oh man, what was it? ABC. Mm-hmm. It was panel C, wasn't it? That's what it was. _ 2. No. It's panel C _ yeah, because the second version of this that I'm doing, and this is the frame. Okay, and let's get the glazing. So this will be, and again, it's going to be panel C, C_2, and this is glass. Now, I don't want to confuse myself here, so I don't think I can change the name of that one, so it's going to be frame. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's not the frame. It is panel C_2. And so we've got the frame for the glazing, got the glazing and the actual panel itself. Okay. Now, that's grand. Let's save that. So I've named this panel A, and I should have named it panel C. So file, save as. Yeah, I'm working on panel C. Okay, and it is panel C. Save. Now, I'm asking you to do this so that you don't get confused, and here I am confusing myself. Okay, so let's load that into the project. Okay, and we're going to 3D here. So what we'll do is we'll swap this one out. So tab, panel, the drop down box here, and it's 2C that we wanted. Yep. Okay, and then we want to right click here and we want to select panels along the vertical. We're going to use shift to take that one out, and okay. Right, let's try that one more time. Tab, right click, select panels along the vertical, and take that one out, and select it. Sorry, that's what I had to do. Right, escape. Now let's pick just one of the panels here. Tab, select. Go into the edit type and into the material. So now we've got panel 2. So this is the first one. And this is going to be the concrete. Okay. We've got the glass, which is our standard glass. Just that one. Okay. And then we've got the frame, which is our aluminium. The anthracite gray. Okay. Now, it's just important here that you make sure that all your elements are associated with the material that you created, okay? And because if they're not, then you won't get the opportunity to be able to put a material onto it within the project. So you can see the glazing there, and that's a good test to make sure. If you see the two little bars across the material there, that means it's associated as such. All right, so that you can see I did an extra sweep here, just to indicate that that was the door there. And when you load that into the project, you can swap it out, swap the glazing out for the panel, and this is what you get here. Okay, And actually, that's working out reasonably well. So if I go into the section here, now you'll see that that's my balcony there. So it's overriding on top of that there. And but I think what would happen is that there could be a cutout or something like that in order to get the balcony where the balcony slots into position. So that's it. If we take a look on the south elevation, okay, it's working out very nicely there, and it's a level entry onto the balcony from there. So that is panel C that I built for you there, and the other videos will do something similar to panels A, B, and D. So you should be well equipped now to get all of those panels in place. Okay.